Diddy Bop My Little Kitchen, and today we're not cooking yet, we are crafting instead. So welcome to my little craft area. It is little, but it works. And you're gonna hear some noise because I'm right next to Petey the bird, and I'll introduce you to Petey the bird and we'll see if she keeps talking. There she is. She's in there hiding behind her mirror. So she'll talk when I talk, and that'll be fun for you. I'm going to show you today how I do these. Everybody hates this mask thing. And it's very frustrating to have to wear one everywhere you go. It is. And, you know, you try and make yourself look good, and everybody just looks like a person in a mask, and it's awful. So I decided I was going to find a way to dress mine up. Now, there are people that have tried all kinds of things. They've tried putting snaps on them. They've tried just gluing things to the masks, and none of them work. None of those ways are very successful. But I found something that'll work really well. So let me show you what it is. Let me take this thing off so I can breathe and talk to you. Hello. So much better. Okay, so I bought these, and I've got 3 of them here. Let's get this to where you can see it. They come 5 to a packet. They're made by Hanes, and I got it at Wally World, Walmart, for those of you who don't know what that is. They were, I think, $7.99 for 5 masks, which I thought was a decent price. They're actually made out of the same fabric that men's tidy whities are made out of. So take that as you want to. So you'll be wearing men's underwear on your face. But hey, I mean, it works, and they're comfortable, and they're easier to breathe in than any of the other ones I've found out there. So, you know, whatever we have to do. Hopefully someday this video will be totally worthless because we won't be wearing masks anymore. But until then, we might as well make it fun. So, let's get this down here where you can see what we're doing. And the bird's gonna yell, but that's fine. Okay. I came up with these. So, you take your mask, measure out where your little thing should go, and you just push it through the fabric. Some fabrics it'll push right through very easily. Others, you push it through and it'll be kind of, the fabric will be over the top of the, let's see if I can get this right there. The fabric will be over the top of the metal here, and so you take your scissors and just clip a tiny bit on the top and then push it through. But it works. It's not going to obstruct your breathing. It's not going to let anything in, not that we know that these masks work anyway. And it's not going to let anything out, not that we know that these masks work anyway. Then you take this little piece right here, and it goes right like that. And then you're going to bend your claws down. Now, it's not hard. You want to get them as flat as you can. So usually after I bend them that way, I'll put them on the desk, and I'll take something and see if I can make this any better for you here. I'll take something where my snap is, and I'll just push it down here. Make sure it's as flat as a human being can get it. There we go. So that's on, okay? And it's like that. You won't feel it at all against your face, I promise. So now you got to figure out, okay, what do I want to put on here? I don't know. Well, it's amazing the things that you can find in your house that will actually adhere to a magnet. One of the neatest things that I found, I'm going to turn this a little bit, is beer caps. Not that I drink beer or anything like that. We won't go there. But what I did, that's a beer cap. Inside of it, it says, "But first coffee," printed on the computer, cut out in a circle, and then just a little bit of acrylic on top of it to keep it in there. And you really wouldn't even have to do that. It looks fine if you just print it and stick it in there. You can put a picture in it. You can do whatever you want to do with it. And guess what? Ha! Look at that. It sticks. See that? How fun is that? Now you can put your little attacher wherever you want to. You can put it more toward the front. You can put it more in the middle. You can do whatever you want to do with it. But that's pretty fun. So I decided, okay, let's do a few more just for kicks and grins. So we did. Rise and wine. That's fun. I don't give a clam. You can get away with wearing that anywhere you want to. And what is this one? Make your own damn dinner. So yeah, that's fun. I like that. You know, and you can paint them cute colors. You can, if you've got a teenager in the house, let her paint and decorate and cut and do whatever she wants to do, and glitter, you know, God forbid, whatever. And just put it on the mask. It's fun. It's something, you know, and it looks nice. So now another option is, remember that top? Right? Remember that? Wait, I don't need this anymore. Okay. Remember the top? The other part of the snap that snaps on there? Okay, you can hook something to that. And then I glued on this part. So you can see, if you look, you'll see it's got this, and right here it's got that other little metal piece, right? Used E6000 glue. It is the best glue out there for any kind of crafting. And so this one, there you go. That's kind of cute. And you can do that with anything. You can do it with crystal. I mean, you can really make it dressy. You can kind of do whatever you want to do with it. There we go. So wouldn't that be cute for a little girl to match some kind of an outfit that she's got? It would be neat. And you could put one on each side. You could do, you know, all kinds of fun stuff with it. So anyway, time to breathe. I figured I would just show you that since we are all stuck with the mask thing. And it's something that makes it a little more fun, a little more original. It works in any kind of mask, any of your homemade masks, any of them. It works in them all. So thank you so much for spending, 10 minutes with me today. And please like and subscribe. Check out all the cooking videos because they're awesome. And I will see you next time at Diddy Bop, My Little Kitchen. Thanks. Bye.